In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're looking to update your profile for personal branding or simply prefer a new name, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate your web browser to CoinMarketCap's official website. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the authentic platform to manage your account securely. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials. Having full access to your profile settings is essential for making these changes. Now, take a look around the site for the settings option. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of the web page, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on settings will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with the settings area, as it can help you manage other preferences in the future. Within the settings, you'll find a field where you can input your new display name. This is where the change happens. When thinking of a new display name, remember that it should reflect your personality or brand, as it will be visible to other users on the platform. Keep it professional and unique to ensure it truly represents your online identity. Once you've settled on a name that suits you, go ahead and type it into the provided field. The final action in this process is to save the changes you've just made. You'll usually find a button labeled Save at the bottom of the settings menu. Don't forget this all-important step. Clicking Save ensures that your display name updates with immediate effect across the platform. Once clicked, you should see a confirmation message or a prompt indicating the change has been successful. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed your display name on CoinMarketCap. Remember, this new name will now be your online showcase to the CoinMarketCap community, so be sure you're happy with your choice. I hope today's tutorial was helpful in guiding you through this process. It's always satisfying to personalize your online presence, and platforms like CoinMarketCap make it easy and efficient to do so. Should you need to make further changes or manage other aspects of your account, feel free to explore the settings section for additional options. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time, happy investing and enjoy your new display name on CoinMarketCap.